iyo ugaburiye umubiri uravyibuha.
When you feed your body, you put on weight.
Ariko nimwemu yigaburiye iravyibuha.
And when you give good food to your spirit becomes rich as well.
Mwemu yanje ivyibushiki.
And now let me ask myself, what is my spirit fed
Ihaze iki?
What is my spirit
Nibiki ndiko ndagaburira mwemu yanje?
What is it that I'm feeding my spirit?
Kugira ngo ikure, kugira ngo ivyibuhe.
So that my spirit could expand, could grow.
Ibi nivyo wewe na jewe dukwiye kwibaza muri uyu mugoroba.
These are the things that you and I should begin to ask ourselves.
Umunyabwenge rero.
Now a person of wisdom.
Umunyabwenge.
A man of wisdom.
Arondera kumenya ukuri.
They seek understanding
Arondera
and truth.
Gutahura.
They seek to understand.
Arondera kumenya ivyikimazi.
They seek to understand what's
Arondera
worthy.
kumenya ibikenewe.
They seek to understand what's necessary.
Impwemu yiwe
Their spirit is fed good things. When they watch a movie on by television, they stay away from evil things. Even using the phone, we come to this now level where you can just check your phone and even evil stuff begins to come on the screen. Now a wise person will go away from that stuff straight away. A wise person will go straight away and delete it. Because even if you say, let me just have a look a little bit, let me just get my eyes to it a little bit, just a little bit, that you open, something is going to impact your thought. Within your thinking mechanism, there is something that happens. All these things build something in us. So today, what are we living in? The spirit of understanding should grow within us. I pray that the spirit of wisdom may grow and become big, greater than the body, much greater, far greater than the body, so that the spirit begins to lead the flesh. Because when we begin to focus on the body without giving the food to the spirit, oh, the body and the spirit becomes weak and weak and weak. So then someone becomes benefited in their body only. So they begin to do the things that gives pleasure to the flesh and speak the things of led by the flesh.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. This becomes second nature. Now this second nature, when you are led by that, this leads to hatred, anger, evil words. These are the things that begin to lead your life.